In my today's video, I will tell you about the battery drain problem in your device POCO C55. So if in this device POCO C55 you are having the issue like your battery drains very quickly or your battery gets low very early, I will tell you how you can fix this problem. Before I start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video.